Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to rent your car on Turo, a platform where you can make money by sharing your vehicle with others. So let's get started. First let me explain what Turo is. Alright. So this is a ride sharing platform where people can rent cars directly from vehicle owners or hosts. Whether you have one car or a fleet, Turo lets you make money by sharing your car with guests in your area. Right, so there are plenty of gates and it's available on 12,000 plus cities, and there are over 350,000 active vehicles and 175,000 active hosts. So there is a lot of money to be made. Now hosts on Turo can make significant income. All right, so let me quickly explain how much you can earn. So the average earnings for one car is about 6,492 pounds per year. All right. And if you decide to list multiple cars, you can earn even more, up to 58,000 euros, sorry, pounds annually with just 9 cars. All right. So now, if you're interested, let me show you how to get started. All right. So to get started on Turo, um, there is no sign up fee. It's very quick and easy, and listing your car just takes about 10 minutes. So just follow these steps here and follow along the step prompts on the screen and to list your car. So make sure you to fill in details like your car's availability, daily price, and any preferences. And also don't forget to upload some great photos of your car and add a description. So just simply click get started to start listing your car. Once your listing is live, like you need to be inside this country here on only the available countries. So add the phone number, continue to account. All right. So anyway, let me tell you the steps. So once your listing is live, you'll start receiving booking requests. And when a guest books your car, you'll get all the details in the app. One thing is to mention is that the app is really user friendly and will guide you through everything you need to do. And also, another thing is that Turo offers insurance or two protection plans for hosts, ensuring your car is covered for physical damage and third-party liability. So you are protected, and like third-party liability insurance and with physical damage protection as well. So your car is safe, your income is safe, and there's no risk associated with it. And before you hand over your car, take a few photos to document its condition and check guest ID. Alright, you'll also set up the return details, and the app will guide you through the check-in and check-out process. And after the trip ends, Turo will deposit your earnings directly into your bank within 3 days. Alright, so that's how you can like. And if you have any more questions, check out the frequently asked question section and to see what you and what not you can do. And that's all there is to it. If you're now you're ready to start renting your car on Turo. This is a great way to earn money, and the process is simple and secure.